Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today we are going to start a new reagent, that is N-bromosuccinamide, that is NBS. This is most widely reagent and it is mostly important for the reaction of halogenation and some of the many reaction. In previous lectures we see there the lots of reagent. If you not seen, go to the channel and see there the videos on the organic reagents or name reaction or any other coordination chemistry, chemical kinetics, thermodynamics. So today's topic is the N-bromosuccinamide, that is NBS. So N-bromo-2,5-pyrrolidine is commonly called as N-bromosuccinamide. So the full name is the 1-bromo-2,5-pyrrolidine is commonly known as N-bromosuccinamide and is abbreviated as NBS, and it is abbreviated as NBS because the NBS is 1-bromo-2,5-pyrrolidine is N-bromosuccinamide and it is abbreviated as NBS. It has the molecular formula, that is C4H4O2NBr. So preparation, how it can prepare? It is prepared by slowly adding bromine to ice cold solution. So how preparation is done? It is prepared by slowly adding bromine to ice cold solution of succinamide in alkali when NBS is precipitated out. So here succinamide when bromine solution is slowly adding to ice cold solution of succinamide, then we get NBS as a product and this NBS is precipitated out. This is the preparation of NBS, and again we can see the applications of NBS, So this is the most important part because reactions are asked from this and we know the role of this reagent, how this reagent can be worked. So first is the as brominating agent. So this is the most important for the brominating of or bromination of compound. So here this is the compound first, which on reaction with NBS and CCl4 we get compound second, that is one hydrogen is replaced by Br. So this is the brominating product and NBS is the brominating reagent in presence of CCl4. Again here cyclohexane ring, in presence of NBS we get substituted Br, cyclohexyl substituted. This is the product here Br. So brominating reagent is NBS and here we get brominating product. Again cyclohexanone in presence of NBS. Next cyclohexanone in presence of NBS and CCl4 we get brominating product. Again conversion of monoines to dienes and trienes. So NBS is also used for the conversion of monoines to diene and triene. So this is also used as the reagent for the generation of double bond and triple double bond, that is dienes, and 3 double bond, that is trines. So cyclohexene, that is monoins, when reacted with NBS and CCl4 we get brominating product. When this bromine is leaves, again we get diene, and again NBS in presence of KOH we get trines as a product. So this is the again useful for the reactions of or conversion of monoins to dienes, trines. So this is the most important reagent for the conversion of dienes, trines. So another applications is degradation of olefinic compound. So CH3CH2 CH double bond CH2 in presence of NBS and CCl4 we get CH3 CH2 CH Br CH double bond CH2. In presence of alcoholic KOH we get as CH3 CH double bond CH CH double bond CH2. On ozonation, that is O3, in presence of H2O and zinc we get acetaldehyde, that is CH3CHO. So here degradation of olefinic compound takes place and the number of carbon atoms are also degraded, and we get finally product as the CH3CHO. So next is an oxidizing agent. NBS oxidizes the primary alcohol and primary amines to aldehydes. So NBS oxidizes primary alcohol to aldehyde and amines to aldehyde. So RCH2OH plus NBS, this is primary alcohol which can be oxidized to aldehyde, that is RCHO plus HBr. Again CH3OH in presence of NBS we get CH3 C double bond O CH3. So again degradative addition of hydroxyl carboxylic acid. Degradative oxidation of hydroxyl carboxylic acid. So RCHCOOH that is in presence of NBS we get RCHO plus CO2, that is alpha alcohol. In presence of NBS we get RCHO. Again RCHNH2COOH in presence of NBS we get RCHO, that is aldehyde plus CO2 plus NH3 as a gas. So these are the some applications of NBS. NBS is the most important reagent for bromination, conversion of monoins, dienes to trines, degradation of olefinic compound, oxidizing agent, that is primary alcohol is converted into aldehydes, degradative oxidation of hydroxyl carboxylic acid. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on